Hi guys, today we are going to see about Reef coin. Before get into this video, I have to say you one thing. I am not a financial advisor, just sharing my crypto knowledge. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's get into our video. Today I am talking about Reef coin. There are three reasons behind this. First, it is based on DeFi based project. Second, it will become future blockchain. Third, it has solidity. So first is it is based on DeFi based project. Some of us know what is DeFi, but some of us don't, right? So I will explain about DeFi. DeFi is nothing but it is a decentralized finance project and it is based on blockchain based technology, and DeFi doesn't want any intermediate to send money from one person to another person. It is a peer-to-peer concept. So for example, if I am a bank user, I have to send money from one person to another person through the bank. So bank is an intermediate, right? But in DeFi, it doesn't use any of the intermediate to send money. So it is working based on Ethereum virtual machine. It is one of the reason. DeFi project is one of the reason. So second reason, it have more reasons and it have more possible ways to become future blockchain. It is already the blockchain. So why I'm saying this, it is a future blockchain. It is fast, scalable and transaction cost is low. If you are taking Tron and BNB blockchain, that in that also the transaction cost is low. That's why more users will come and buy the coin using Tron and BNB. Likewise, in future more users will come and buy the coin using Reef. So there are more possible chances to become the future blockchain. If more users will come, definitely the rate of the coin also will hike. And third one, solidity. Solidity is nothing but it is a tool or language for creating coin. Okay, through Ethereum or BNB we can be able to create the coin in solidity. The strategy which is used by Ethereum and BNB to create the coin, likewise the same strategy used by Reef to create the coin, Reef blockchain to create the coin. And if you want to stake this Reef coin, then you can stake it in Reef blockchain itself. So based on my analysis, I am giving you about the information of Reef, and you also get some instant information and you also want to get analyzed, then you can refer Reef website app that I had given in the description. And one thing I have to say, if you are a long time holder, it was an excellent coin and potential coin. You will get more profit in the future. So if you have any doubt about this coin, then you can ping the message in Instagram. That Instagram ID that I have given in the description, just ping the message and I will give the response about that coin. And one more thing, if you want to get updates about the coin like low price coins, project based potential coin, then you can join the Telegram group. There will be more suggestions and more updates about the coins. And again, I'm saying I'm not a financial advisor, just I'm sharing my crypto knowledge. And if you want to get like coin rate trading volume, then you can see CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. In CoinMarketCap they had given that current coin rate and trading volume. So today the current rate of the Reef coin is $0.01844. So likewise you also can get more info about all the coins in CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Yeah, thank you.